Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we turn off mobile hotspot in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to off guys your phone mobile hotspot in your Infinix phone, so you can off easily. And friends, now let's see how can we off guys mobile hotspot in our Infinix phone. First of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So how can we off guys Infinix phone mobile hotspot? Friends, you can see guys this third option hotspot setting guys, tap here, hotspot is on, Wi-Fi setting, tap here, and guys you can see mobile hotspot guys you don't want to use, so guys you can off from here. After of guys share option will remove on screen guys, you can see share option guys we cannot use guys. You want to share your hotspot guys, you will have to on it again, and the hotspot icon will remove on our screen. So like that guys we can turn off guys mobile hotspot in Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn off mobile hotspot in Infinix phone device. So bye guys.